So let's look at the last part. The line M is parallel to the vector line 3i minus 5j plus 5k and passes through the point P. Find the equation of the line obtained when line M is refracted about L. So the thing is, it will pass through this line here, and that's the line L. But the thing is, I do not know whether it intersect L or not. So I think the first thing I will try and make sense is whether this line would intersect, whether it intersects or not. Okay, because if it does intersect, then it's easier to find the line of intersection. I think if it is a skew line, it's gonna be hard. I think it's a bit difficult. I think I'm not sure whether is it even possible to find a line of intersection if it's skew, but we want to find where it intersects. Okay, so that's the main thing. This part here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write down the line M. So part 3, we have got line M. Okay, this is line M. What line M does is it has passed through. Sorry, this is R. It passes through P. So I'm going to use mu. It is not used, right? Mu. Okay, and it has this direction vector minus 5, 5 here. Okay, we are told that we have this direction vector here, and passes through P. P would be 0, 1, 2. So that would be 0, 1, 2 there. 0, 1, 2, and this is actually mu, real value here. Okay, now then what we're going to do is actually I am going to just when M equals to L, okay, I'm just gonna equate both of them because I'm not too sure whether they're intersecting, which point they're intersecting. I hope they're intersecting. So this case is 3 minus 4, 7 plus lambda minus 1, 3 minus 2. So I'm just equating both of these lines. I'm taking this line equation here, L equals to M. Then what we're gonna get is actually from here. Let's see mu. So it's 0 plus 3 mu equals to 3 minus lambda. 1 minus 5 mu equals to minus 4 plus 3 lambda. And 2 plus 5 mu equals to 7 minus 2 lambda. Okay, so you just write down what is given at the top and so on. So this is what we get. Rearrange them, and we'll see whether from GC we can actually get whether we are able to have a unique solution for this equation here. And if have, then we are pretty much safe because they're intersecting. So this is plus 2 lambda equals to 5. Okay, so GC. So here what we're going to do is just abs and go to Pauli simultaneous equation. Then we're going to do simultaneous equation solver, and we have got 3 unknowns, 3 equations and 2 unknowns. Okay, great. So this is the one. I'm going to clear it, and I'm going to put this as 3, 1, 3. So 3, 1, 3, and then negative 5, 3, negative 5, negative 5, 3, negative 5, and after which we have got 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5. Okay, then we're going to solve it. So this is 1 and 0 from GC. So from GC, mu equals to 1, lambda equals to 0. So hence, lines M and L are intersecting. Okay, this is important. So once done, the intersecting point would then be this intersecting point here that we drew just now. This is important because once we got it, it will be quite straightforward already. So the intersecting point intersection. So name it. Maybe name it as I will name it as A. Oh, there's no A. Okay, great. So A. So just substitute this into any of the line equation. I'm going to sub into mu 0 into this. So this is 3, negative 4, 7. My goodness, is this point here. So it's actually this point here. Is this point that we're looking at. Okay. So it passes through this point. This is just this point 3, 4, negative 7. I'm not sure. I couldn't see it at the start. But anyway, that is the point there. So what we're gonna do? we're gonna then find this line of equation here. So we can actually just find this here. So the reflection line will pass through the intersection point here, and it pass through this mirror image. So typically they will ask for the mirror image here. Okay, this is a line of reflection. Okay, because if you reflect the orange line, and the purple line is actually the mirror here. Okay, this is mirror. So this line here will then be the reflected line, right? This is the one. So I'm gonna just the line of reflection, hence the line of reflection will passes through A and P prime, which is what we found just now. P prime, which is actually 2, 3, 4. Okay. P prime, which is actually 2, 3. P prime, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So once done, what we're gonna do is line AP prime, line of reflection. Okay, it will be R 3 negative 4 7 plus lambda. We already have lambda, right? I already used lambda and mu, so I'm going to alpha is already used as well. I'm going to use gamma. AP prime. So the direction will just be A to AP prime, right? So this is 2 3 4 minus 3 negative 4 7. This will be negative 1 7 and negative 3. There's negative 1 7 negative 3. Okay, so that is how negative 1 7 and negative 3, yeah, that's how we do this question here provisionally. Of course, this you can just use P prime as well, it's fine. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments at all, please let us know. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question.